Good afternoon students, welcome to class 11 biology class. Last video you have learned the different types of brown tissue, the characteristic features of brown tissue. Today I am going to discuss the characteristic features of complex tissue. Complex tissue means you know the two types of tissue, which is xylem and phloem. Okay, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. The xylem actually the water conducting tissue, but this is the upward water conducting tissue, water and minerals. The xylem, this is called the complex tissue. First I am going to discuss xylem. Xylem actually it is made up of different types of cells. That's why it is called complex tissue. Different types of cells holds together is called xylem element. Okay, the xylem element and first xylem vessels or tracheids xylem vessel is found in angiosperm and tracheids is found in gymnosperm. Okay, and the xylem vessels or tracheids is found in angiosperm and it is found in gymnosperm. And here on xylem fiber and xylem parenchyma. Xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. Now have to know all the characteristic features of these elements, of these xylem elements. Actually all are the dates of the thick wall. Okay, the thick wall lignified. First I am going to discuss the xylem vessels or tracheid. Xylem vessels or tracheid. Xylem vessels, xylem vessels, the thick wall, the lignified, made up of lignified wall, and it is found in angiosperm and tracheid found in gymnosperm. And actually, all are the tube-like structure. In here, this is the xylem vessels, all are the vessels. Actually, they together found, and this wall are the get dissolves. Okay, this wall get dissolves and to form a total channel-like structure or the total tube-like structures. Okay, and it is found in also angiosperm. In the tracheid also you know that taperant end and this wall also get dissolves and this form a channel-like structure, helps in the upward conduction of water and minerals. And the xylem fiber actually is a parenchyma fiber and made up of the thick wall, and it is actually provide the mechanical strength. And xylem parenchyma only the living. Xylem parenchyma is living. Okay, xylem parenchyma the living cells. It helps in also and form a channel or tube-like structure just like a vein, and helps in the conduction of upward conduction of water and minerals that you need one directions. Okay, next phloem. Phloem, the plant present. Phloem actually the food conducting tissues. Food conduction helps in the food conduction the tissue, and the all together is called the phloem element. The first, the sieve tube or sieve cells. It is found in angiosperm. It is found in gymnosperm. And phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. parenchyma. Okay, and all are the living, but phloem fiber dead. Phloem fiber is dead cell, but all living cells except the phloem fiber dead cell. First, the sieve tube, it is found in the angiosperm, and sieve cell is found in gymnosperm. First, I am drawing the diagram of this. This is the sieve tube. This also sieve cells, but its wall is the perforating, or is called sieve plate. It's called sieve plate. But in the sieve cell, the area, so one area is called sieve area. Okay, another phloem element is the companion cells or the albuminous cell. Companion cells, actually the sieve tube and the sieve cells, this together is called the sister cells. Means one cell is divided and to form a sieve tube, another is form a companion cell. Of course, this is the sieve tube and this one is companion cells. Okay. If I draw the whole structure of the phloem, then you can easily understand. Well, if I section this sieve tube, then these are the sieve plate, and this side is the companion cells, and phloem fiber. These are the lignified. This is called the bast fiber. These are the, and another phloem parenchyma. This one phloem parenchyma. Okay, this is companion cells. Another phloem fiber, and this is sieve tube. Okay, these are all structures of the phloem. Phloem helps the food conducting tissue, food conduction. This is the total characteristic features of xylem and phloem. Next video I will discuss the vascular bundle. The xylem and phloem made total vascular bundles. I hope it's clear. If any doubt you can ask through tenor, you can ask it. Okay, thank you.